তো বল এটি তুলোটা
টাকা 200 अरे
डीडी न्यूज़ अंदर आ जाए। डीडी न्यूज़ अंदर बुलाओ उनको।
And welfare for humanity. I am so touched, amazed at the big change that is taking place in the temple infrastructure. The Honorable Chief Minister is passionately committed to this with a mission. It is gratifying to note that all over the country, wherever our religious places are there, a new, well-deserved, well-thought-out look is being imparted. This place, which is a unique position in our religious ecosystem, will get developed consistent with the religious dignity and stature the place has. I look forward to a further visit to this place, land of heaven, once the infrastructure is in place by Deepavali next year.